Hello, this is Sanya Patel and you are welcome to HW News English. According to a survey from Maharashtra State Road Development Corporation, that is MSRDC, the ongoing road widening project between Thane and Vadpe on the Mumbai-Nashik highway has encountered serious quality issues despite not being completed yet. Cracks and potholes have already appeared on the newly laid cement road, forcing the MSRCD to use tar for temporary fixes. This raises serious questions about the quality of construction, especially after MSRDC's recent survey found that approximately 500 panels have defects, including cracks and potholes. The widening project, which began in 2021, is meant to expand a 23.5-kilometer stretch of National Highway 3 between Vadpe and Majiwada in Thane from 4 lanes to 8 lanes to accommodate increasing traffic. Bhivandi, located along this route, has become a major warehousing hub, contributing to a rise in traffic volumes. To make matters more urgent, the upcoming Nagpur-Mumbai Samruddhi Expressway and the Mumbai-Delhi Highway are both set to connect near Bhivandi, further increasing the burden on this route. Unfortunately, despite its significance, the project has faced delays and is now expected to be completed by February 2025. In response to these findings, MSRDC has instructed engineers from the National Highways authorities to determine whether these cracks can be repaired or if some sections need to be entirely rebuilt. Ramesh Khiste, an MSRDC section engineer, told Times of India that they are evaluating how to handle these damages. The presence of defects even before the completion of the project raises concerns about whether the contractor is meeting the required standards. In another instance highlighting the issue of poor construction standards in Maharashtra, concerns were raised about the Atal Setu Bridge, also known as the Mumbai Trans Harbour Link. Built at a staggering cost of rupees 17,840 crore, this bridge connects South Mumbai to Navi Mumbai and was inaugurated in January this year. Yet, within a few months in July, it became the subject of controversy when Maharashtra Congress President Nana Patole alleged that there were cracks on the approach road and that a part of the road had sunk by about 1 foot. He criticized the quality of the construction, calling it substandard and unsafe. The Mumbai Metropolitan Region Development Authority, that is MMRDA, the project's implementing agency, was quick to respond by stating that the cracks were observed on the Ulve side, a service road that is part of the bridge but not the bridge itself. The ruling BJP also came to their rescue to defend the project, where they explained that such cracks that emerged were not a result of the structure and posed no threat to the integrity of the bridge. However, the fact that any cracks emerged just a few years after its launch caused many questions to the overall quality of the project. In another instance, in March, a few motorists were struck with panic after a large pothole was discovered on the Mumbai-Nagpur Samruddhi Highway. This incident has cast severe doubts on the construction quality of the 786-kilometer expressway, a flagship project of former Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis. Since its high-profile inauguration by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in December 2022, the expressway has already witnessed over 100 fatal accidents. All these cases reveal a common troubling pattern with major infrastructure projects in Maharashtra: substandard construction and inadequate quality checks. Such issues not only reflect poorly on those responsible but also pose a direct threat to public safety. The authorities need to implement more stringent quality controls, especially given the increasing importance of these routes to the state's economy. The Thane-Vadpe highway is an important part of a national route that links majorly financial centers, and it is expected to carry even more traffic with the future integration of major highways. Poor planning, lack of management, and delayed implementation affect the state's ability to build reliable infrastructure supporting growth and development. Instead of quick fixes and temporary patches, MSRDC and related agencies must ensure that they use materials and construction practices that can stand the test of time. Public infrastructure projects must be built with long-term durability in mind, not just to meet deadlines or budgets. The recurring issues we are seeing now are reminders of how cutting corners in construction can have lasting negative impacts on the people who depend on these vital connections. Well, that's all for this news report today. Thank you for watching HW News English. Download our app shops to get the latest news and updates.
2019, the year that changed Maharashtra politics forever.
मी देवेंद्र गंगाधरराव फडणवीस ईश्वर साक्ष शपथ घेतो की
मी अजित अनंतराव पवार गांभीर्यपूर्वक दृढकथन करतो की
मी उद्धव बाळासाहेब ठाकरे ईश्वर साक्ष शपथ घेतो की
श्री एकनाथ शिंदे साहेब यांना भारतीय जनता पार्टी समर्थन देईल आणि श्री एकनाथ शिंदे हे मुख्यमंत्री होतील.
मी एकनाथ संभाजी शिंदे ईश्वर साक्ष शपथ घेतो की
मी अजित अनंतराव पवार गांभीर्यपूर्वक दृढकथन करतो की.
Now, as Maharashtra gets set for the 2024 assembly elections,
we believe that we have the infrastructure, we have the know-how, we have the experience of covering Maharashtra. We want to cover the Maharashtra elections.
what are the issues on the minds of the voter? Can sitting Chief Minister Eknath Shinde defend his turf with the BJP and Ajit Pawar by his side? Or will the legacies of Thakres and Pawar prevail? What role will Manoj Jarange Patil, the face leading the Maratha agitation, play?
Now, for us to cover the Maharashtra elections, we need some funds, we need some money. We need around 5 to 6 lakh of rupees. I would urge our patrons, I would urge our viewers who appreciate our work, viewers who think we are worth that, I would urge you to contribute. I would urge you to contribute to this venture. Give us that 6 lakhs so that our journalists can go to nook and corner of Maharashtra, find out exactly what the problem of Maharashtra is.
Log on to our website hwnews.in, click on the subscribe us button, select an amount you wish to contribute and support independent journalism.
Stay ahead with our cutting edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.